The project I was involved in was with Kapalu Connection. We went to Vanuatu and we built missionary homes. This was important to expand the church in certain areas and be able to bring more projects into places that don't have as much as other countries.
On missionary by camp staff from that member to staff karena teaching this we not even baptized yet I want to know only only by must make more help me to know with the rest
one project we will have me make was me put up help all missionary local make work lo area where all house no start lema.
As we build missionary homes, half the money goes to missionary homes and the other half goes to the schools.
Education is important to when you got education or you start making one something to you.
Besides blessing the lives of missionaries or whoever you're building homes for, and besides the lives of the people in the villages, I've started to believe that the people that end up benefiting the most are those who actually give to the project and are able to go down and participate and learn from it, because you gain a whole different feeling for people and problems. I just think those that directly participate are going to be the biggest benefactors.
Besides house by all missionary, I like it.